Namaste students. Today I am going to start the new lesson, that is simple equations. Yes, the simple equations lesson, it is from the branch of mathematics, that is algebra. Yes, so this you have to write in the ruled fair book. Are you getting? It's algebra and arithmetic should be written in the ruled book and geometry should be written in unruled book. Okay. The lesson is simple equations. Yes. So if you see the name of the lesson, it is simple equations. It is simple equations. Yes. Then what is the meaning of this equation? Many times in science and again in maths, you are using the word equation, isn't it? You used the word equation, then what is the meaning of that equation? Yes, we need to know what is the definition. Yes, I will make you understand everything in this lesson, how to solve the equations, or what is equation first, then how to solve the equations and how to apply these equations in our day-to-day life. Yes. So before going directly for the equations, when we are forming an equation, what all the things are needed? As I am seeing, it is from the algebra. So what is algebra? We need to know first. Yes, have you learned algebraic expressions in your previous class? Yes, you have learned the algebraic expressions were there in 6th standard. Okay, so just I will revise all those things again. Since these many days, it's a very big gap for you people. So I want you to remember all those things. To make an equation, we need algebraic expressions. Yes, then what are algebraic expressions? How those are formed, isn't it? Now, when we are writing 3y, yes, you know that it is 3y. How this 3y is formed? Yes, 3y is formed when 3 is multiplied by y or y is multiplied by 3. Yes, of course it is 3y. We are going to write this as 3 into y or y into 3, both are same, or still you can write this as 3 dot y. This 3 dot y means it is the product of 3 and y. All these three are same, but we are going to represent a term by like this way, isn't it? 3y, don't write it as y3, there is no meaning for this y3. Yes, of course y into 3 is, you are going to say it is y3, but in this algebra we should not write y into 3 as y3, it should be written as 3y. Why? Because whenever you are representing a term, see 3y is a term, yes, here before the variable the number should be there, that numerical should be there. Yes, here I have used the word variable. Yes, see here, when you are writing 2y, in this y is what? Y is the variable. Yes, it is a variable. Okay, then what is 2? 2 is a constant. Yes, 2 is a constant and y is a variable. Then what is the meaning, or what are the meanings of this variable and the constant? What is the meaning? What is the meaning of a variable? What is the meaning of this constant? Yes, of course you will say that constant, 2 is constant. Yes, it is constant. Yes, constant means sthiravagirod. 2 cannot be changed. The value is not going to be changed. 2 is 2 only. Yes, 2 is not equal to minus 2 or 2 is not equal to 100. 2 is 2 only. Yes, so it is a number that has a fixed value. A number that has a fixed value is called a constant. It is called as a constant. A number which has a fixed value or fixed value is called as a constant. Then what about variable? What is variable here? Why is the variable I am saying? Then what is variable? Variable, the name itself says that it is varying. Yes, it varies. Yes, vary. Vary in the sense it changes. It changes in the sense it is not going to have any fixed value. There is no fixed value for this symbol. for this variable. I am not saying this variable. This is a symbol whose value is not fixed. Yes, a symbol which does not have a fixed value is called as a variable. Yes, so in this case, I considered 2y. I can write this as 2x also. I can write this as 2a. Yes, therefore the variables are nothing but you can consider a, b, c, x, y, z. We know the small letters of English alphabet. Yes, so a, b, c up to x, y, z, 26. Variables are there, 26. Alphabets are there, 26. Letters are there. We can use whichever we want because these are not having any fixed value. I can give here, I am considering 2x. Yes, I want to give x as 1. Then what is the value of 2x? 2x is given. I want to take the value of x as 1. Then 2x is equals to 2 into 1 is equals to 2. Now I want to change the value of x as 2. Yes, then 2x is there, 2. X is multiplied here. So the value of x is 2. 2 2s are 4. So here we are saying that the variable value, it changes, it varies. Whichever value you give to that variable or to that alphabet, it is going to take. Therefore, it is not having any fixed value. Yes, so variable is a symbol which does not have any fixed value. Got it? So, after listening this, write the definition of constant and the variable. Got it? I think 3 or 4 times I told you. Yes, just now I taught you what is the definition of variable and constant separately. Okay. Yes, after this, here in these examples we have considered 3y. Yes, 3y I will consider. In this 3 is a constant and y is a variable, isn't it? This 3 is also called as the numerical coefficient. Yes, do you remember? 3 is the numerical coefficient. Numerical means number, right? Then y is called as the literal coefficient. Yes, it is the numerical coefficient and this is the literal coefficient. Got it? Now, why I am saying all these things to you? Because all this you have learnt in algebraic expressions, isn't it? But without these, an equation is not possible. Okay, then it is the time to know what is an equation. Yes, so what is an equation? What is an equation? Yes, to understand this, let us define it first, then you will understand what is an equation. Equation, it is an algebraic equation. Yes, an algebraic equation is an equality. See the name, it is equa, means equal. The name itself says that it is equal. So, an algebraic equation is an equality involving, yes, it is an equality involving variables. Yes, see the definition. An algebraic equation is an equality. It is an equality, means equal sign should be there. Involving variables. Yes, involving variables. Variables should be there, right? Then, let us take an example how we are going to consider or how to write the equation. Okay, if I take an equation, see here, it is 2x minus 3 is equals to 5. I am considering. Yes, see here, it is an equation. See, an algebraic equation is an equality. It is an equality involving variables. Yes, the variables. Variable is there here. Yes, therefore it is an equation. Okay, in this equation, if you observe on right side of equal sign, yes, it has two sides. One is RHS and this one is LHS. On right side it is RHS and on left side it is LHS. Okay, On right side of left side of the equal sign, 2x minus 3 is there, and on right side of equal sign 5 is there. See, on right side of equal sign 5 is there, and on left side of equal sign 2x minus 3 is there, isn't it? Here, if you observe, we are saying that these two are equal. LHS is equals to RHS here, isn't it? When LHS is equals to RHS, whatever the value you are going to get, those must be equal. The meaning is, see, when these two are equal, the answer at the end what you are going to get must be equal. Yes, to make that answer equal, we need to find the value of x. Yes, we need to find the value of x. How to find? So, for a particular value, LHS is going to be equal to RHS. For a particular value I am saying, it is not equal to RHS for all the values of the variable in it. It is what? This is, these two LHS and RHS will be equal for only a particular number here. Are you getting? So, if I take some value for this 2x, see, 2x is there, I want to consider x as 2. X as 2 I am going to consider, see, it is 2 into 2 minus 3 is equals to, let me see first, I am taking only LHS, 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3, yes it is 1, but 1 is not equal to 5, therefore x is not equal to 2. Yes, here this is possible only, see, if you are taking x is equals to 4, if you are taking x is equals to 4, 2 4s are 8, 8 minus 3 is 5, 5 is equals to 5, LHS is equals to RHS, therefore x is equals to 4 is the correct answer. Yes, therefore in the equation LHS will be equal to RHS, that is for a particular value of the variable in it. For a particular value, the RHS will become equal to the LHS. Okay. So, I hope you all have understood this part. This is the introduction part. Then, directly we are not going to solve the equations. First, let us see how to frame the equation. Yes, how to frame an equation. Okay, I will say you how to frame the equation. Yes, if you are taking so before going for the framing of an equation, you need to know how to frame the algebraic expression. Yes, we know if you are saying it is 4 times of x, 4 times of x means it is 4x. If you are saying it is 1/3 of y, 1/3 of y, it is nothing but 1 by 3y or y by 4, 1/3, sorry, yes, 1/3, 1 by 3y. If you are saying 3/4 of m, 3/4 of m, it is 3 by 4 of m, of indicates multiplication, I will see you, sorry, I will say you that one. See, if you are writing 4 times of, or first we will write formation of or forming or framing of an equation. Yes, so 4 times of y added to 3 gives 12. See, a statement is given here, we need to frame an equation. Okay, sorry, the disturbance is here. 4 times of y added to 3 gives 12. See, what is 4 times of y? So, according to the question, 4 times of y, see, 4 times of y is equals to, it is 4y. 4 times of y in the sense 4 into y. 4 into y is nothing but 4y. Added to 3 gives 12. Yes. See here, 4 times of y added to 3 gives 12. A statement can be converted as an equation, isn't it? 4 times of y added to 3 gives 12. Or you can write this as add 3 to 4 times of y, you get 12. Yes. So there are some more sentences. Yes, in that way also you can write. Add 3 to 4 times of y, you get 12, or the sum of 4y and 3 gives 12. Many things are there. Yes, you can express however you want. Okay. So now we will take one more example. 1/4 of, yes, it is 1/4 of z added to 7 gives 24. See, 1/4 of z added to 7 gives 24. Can we write 1/4 of z here? 1/4 of z. See, 1/4 of z is equals to, of indicates multiplication, then what about 1/4? It is 1/4 of z, that is equals to z by 4. Can we write it as z by 4? 1 into z is z by 4. It is z by 4. It is added to 7 gives 24. The same it is. Yes. So 1/4 of z added to 7 gives 24. Can you make one more statement for this? Yes, we can make. Add 7 to 1/4 of z, you get 24. Or the sum of 7 and 1/4 of z is 24. Yes. Every statement is correct here. Are you getting what I am saying? Yes. We will take one more example here. These are easy equations. So the name of the lesson is simple equations. Yes, these are simple. Okay. So here if you are taking subtract 3 from 5 times a number, you get 57. See, subtract 3 from 5 times a number, you get 57. See here, 5 times a number in the sense, still we don't know what is that number. Yes, we don't know in the sense there is no fixed value for that. So what is that called a fixed, which doesn't have any fixed value? Yes, of course it is a variable, isn't it? So here we are going to consider that a number as any variable, then subtract 3 from that, you are going to get 57. Okay, I will write here. See, most of the time you people are writing equal sign here. It's being simple equation lesson, you should not use equal sign anywhere you want. You should not use, since equation is having one equal sign. Are you getting? So don't use equal sign wherever you want. That is wrong. Subtract 3 from 5 times a number. So first we need to get that a number. Yes. Let a number be m. I'll consider it as m, or if you want you can consider it as z, or if you want you can consider it as y, a, b, c, d up to z, whichever you want you can consider. Let a number be m. Then according to question, 5 times a number. Yes, so 5 times a number is equals to, a number is what? M. So 5 times m is what? 5 times m. It is 5 into m. 5 into m is nothing but 5m. Keep in mind that this is an algebra lesson where we are going to use only the small letters. Are you getting? Only the small letters we are going to use in the algebra. Okay. 5 times m, it is 5m. So according to the question, see, according to ACC, that is according to the question. What according to the question? Subtract 3 from, see how I am going to write the equation. Subtract 3 from 5 times a number, you get 57. So easy. Yes. Subtract 3 from, yes, 5 times a number, you get 57. That's correct. Over? Yes. Okay. So we'll take one more example. Subtract 8 from 8 times of a number, 8 times of a number, you get 88. The same it is. Subtract 8 from 8 times a number. A number still we don't know. Let us consider a number as n or p, whatever you want. Then subtract 8 from that, you will get 88. Okay. So here the answer, yes, let a number be p. Let a number be p. It's a small p. Okay. Then 8 times p, that is 8 times p is equals to 8p. 8 times p in the sense 8 times a number. A number we consider it as p. Yes. So it is 8p. Don't write it as p8. It is wrong. Getting 8p. According to the question. According to the question. What according to the question? Subtract 8 from 8 times a number. 8 times a number is 8p. You get 88. Yes. So whenever a statement is given, you can write, you can express that as an equation. Are you getting? Okay. So like this, some more examples, some more statements I am going to give you as homework. Convert those statements as an equation. Okay. And in the next session, I am going to deal with some problems from your first exercise, and we will see some other problems which are too interesting in this lesson. Okay. Thank you.